In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see Google Tag Manager. This tool is essential for managing and tracking your website's data, so let's dive in and ensure you know exactly how to navigate it effectively. To get started, first, open your preferred web browser and head over to tagmanager.google.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log in with your Google account credentials. If you don't already have an account, you can easily create one by following the prompts. Logging in is a critical step as it ensures you have access to your specific accounts and containers. These are essentially the heart and soul of your Google Tag Manager setup. After logging in, you will be greeted by a list of your GTM accounts. These are the various accounts associated with your Google account. Each account can contain multiple containers, which is how GTM organizes the tags for your different websites or apps. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this page because it's your gateway to accessing and managing your GTM resources. Next, click on the account name that corresponds to the project you want to manage. Within each account, you'll find containers. A container is where all your tags, triggers, and variables are stored for a particular domain or app. Selecting the correct container is crucial since it holds all the configurations specific to that project. Once inside a container, you'll have access to several key components that make Google Tag Manager a powerful tool for managing your marketing and analytics tags. Let's explore these components a bit further. First, you'll see tags. Tags are snippets of code like those for Google Analytics or Facebook Pixel. They help collect and send data about your website or app to third-party services. Understanding your tags is vital for ensuring you're collecting the right data. Next, take a look at triggers. Triggers are the conditions under which your tags will fire. They can be tied to specific user actions such as a page view, a click, or form submission. Configuring your triggers accurately is key to ensuring your tags activate only when needed. Then you have variables. Variables are pieces of information that help tags and triggers function. They can be used to store and share available data, making your setup more dynamic and precise. You'll also encounter versions. This section provides a detailed history of published changes, allowing you to review or restore previous setups if necessary, a handy feature for maintaining accuracy and tracking changes over time. One feature not to overlook is preview mode. This lets you test how your tags will behave on your live site without actually deploying them, helping you catch potential issues before they affect users. Finally, navigate to the admin settings. Here, you can manage user access, view container settings, and handle account-related configurations. It's the control center for maintaining who can see and edit your GTM properties. With these tools, you'll be set to effectively track and manage data for your websites and apps. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you navigate Google Tag Manager with confidence.